During this week's video, we jack up the cab on the OBS with an engine hoist. Welcome back to the channel. The OBS is still in the garage. We removed the doors on the last video. The cab is ready to come off, and we're gonna try to use this Harbor Freight engine hoist to remove the cab from the frame. We already removed the bench seat in the OBS, and we already removed the brake booster, the steering, and we did a little bit of work on the rear here as well. We removed the hydraulic system. A bit of explosions. Ooh. Nice. And we removed that janky frame that was on top of this frame. So now the only thing we have left is to take off the 4 bolts holding this body onto this frame. We're gonna use this engine hoist, but I gotta build some kind of trapezoid to pull this cab off. So let's get this engine hoist in the OBS cab and see what we need to do to build the janky adapter to this engine hoist. So it looks like we will be able to lift it up. If we extend the extension all the way out, this should give us enough height to lift the cab. So I'm thinking about building some arms outside this that will bolt on here and kind of swivel maybe, but it has to be taller than this guy, so then we can go inside the cab and lift it that way. Well, there you have it, the sketchy adapter for the engine hoist. Got a little jerry rigged on it. Didn't have a bolt that was long enough to go through these 2x4s and through the center of the engine hoist. So we just put a pipe in there for now. So now we just have to unbolt this body from the frame and see if this sketchiness works out. I put these eyelets in here so we could use this strap and strap it on the top side of the cab. Well, we did it. Things moved. We got the cab lifted up. So we got the front of the cab off the mounts. It is a little front heavy. As you can see, the engine hoist is lifting the cab. Check it out. We got a truck cab off the frame by using that Harbor Freight engine hoist. Man, that thing worked out pretty mint. I was even able to lift it high enough where I can slide it off the side of the frame. Now, we can pull the frame up on the trailer. There she be. We'll take this thing to the boneyard. Unless you want to buy it, we can work out a deal. But not sure why you'd want to do this. Unless you're restoring one of these OBSs. But it's the only reason I could see why you'd want this frame. But if you're the guy, get a hold of me. My contact is in the description below. Well, that's a wrap on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick and easy mod that you can make to your engine hoist so you can move bodies off of your frames. With a little bit of materials, some wood, some bolts and screws, you can transform your engine hoist into a vehicle lift. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.